Did you know some animals survive without a brain? Who needs a brain when you have superpowers? Let's check them out. First up, jellyfish. These ocean drifters have no brain, no heart, and no bones, yet they've been around for over 500 million years. Next, we have starfish. Instead of a brain, they use a nerve ring that helps them move and react to the world. And the ultimate brainless champion, sea sponges. They don't think, move, or even have nerves. They just filter water and chill all day. So, would you want to live without a brain? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more wild animal facts. Subscribe for more mind-blowing nature facts.